100% parder beats per minute zirupale BPM taksa ningsa parchispo zabek tormorapen chejun dasani ka bombayo za reduksi jagao mitar stong sumnang gesushinole sea level sang sta somba sang ikatene chidong workout exercise chidong jona doshis ngalarle oxygen man junior pa tene Delhi daringe tsam dostas min bale elevation bo sea level ka hisab ka elevation bo Delhi tsam dangi chikstas min bale Delhi 200 sola ina 200 tsamji 200 thalji man mirugle so teka oxygen tachi ko pollution ko temshik uksakchiman oxygen ma yuchen la dasu le lungspo lagmo note tormo son basan tene samje tormo en temshik ko oxygen nyong churu po lungspo ta yote note lungspo yot pa samge oxygen chidchen kora takchude yutik mirugle lungspo yote no wale lungspo duk chiam duk den logranje dans pilot set specially excel dena belowa dose stanji kingse special excel skila yut bin logranje dans pane ju lungspo duk tik tak duk oxygen des mirugle ateni ka la dasla tarmi duk set ma turmoin o stock na barabar so shino le stock yul de wono wa mashona so sorino son passant ika tsapik ko excess tsapik chona mata le sal tsapik jangna ekdam mara rakle tene de chede uksakches tasa purchase beats per minute zan pate to hina mon man minute hamchanale tamane jugi man minute hamchanale beats per minute zan pas pejana ta taksa tsamjik pardunga tastago sanule ikane zugu tangsi borpa minute chigina guga tsam pardunga tartsigo sanule chokchok semira o taksas taksas ningsa chishi English na go BPM zanule iga chokchos pardupa satomo somba denana tene workout tasanta exercise chuches na ne tsomesan kaspo kampa chile kampa chibejuno kampa gun manikora o chide chinkora kampe muscles gun shagun chinmo sombasan tene teka chagun mang chile te chakma go sano samji kampa ngala temshi koshni pam chustena push kanse tak lamjon le song san hago mo song shi zi tak mo lamjon le song basan kampa juzen ekdam ga chine dina chik kampa chogo shis ma khach no kampa shanti yutna tene zuspo chik stak sama shanti lu san le kampa shkumo yutna tene dulnya na mano tene chiko last chumya na mano tene tsapichi dulan chik ukse ekdam chacha no le chalar chinti khurnya na mano chezena shkepega tsamji chala khurti yutna stakpa tsamji shad yutna kampa shad mena tene takchute no le kampa ma matan almi mi gun kampa ma shanti on dupa kanikaro dulin dukspa tene chalar chinti khurin dukspa deukshino son basang is doing workout po lower body kampe exercise pin son basang drin ma tsik mang tsiping mang alterale tene ta tatsma shning ne darshning tatsma kampe ga lamchus basang stock po tsam shi thak lusi merale ikur ba tsam shi thak ma lusi merale tene tsik samba tang ji tsabi gora rak nyunji ale sakin kashi ma gora rakle chitoshi zerin samna o chizer go shi de samsan na chik samba tsabi ma re tango sarale ta yang minute kashi na kule jamshachin kamper sagunya tagun tsabi yang stago yonste stagriga son tel dat penan ko son tenel dat patsik last chuches po shningun tsek tuzgun kazo last chot te soskule last chuchin minute kashi gorchin te just so Julie to everyone again I was just making some jokes because where I live in Adak, the place where I'm staying, it's quite high actually. It's about 3,500 meters above sea level, which is quite high if you think about it. Because I lived in Europe, when I was in Europe, I lived at sea level, and well, that's very low and quite easy, to walk, to work, and to do workouts, weightlifting, resistance workout, running, cardio, yoga, whatever you want to do, quite easy. But at this level, where it's supposed to be summer, but the temperature is still comparable to spring. We are like, my place is 3,500 meters above sea level. In feet, I have no idea, but it's quite high. I can feel it, because today I did my legs. It's lower body, upper body. I do a split. So today I did my legs. So you do squats, you do deadlifts, you do leg extensions and hamstring curls and so many workouts, within a couple of hours. And the recovery is so difficult because you literally feel the elevation, your heart just doesn't stop beating. And I calculate my heartbeats, and it's quite high. And even now it's quite high. So I was just waiting for the, heartbeat to settle down a little bit so that I can have some oxygen supply to my small brain. All the oxygen has gone to my legs, all the blood flow, or my heart is pumping everything to the lower floor. Upper floor is quite empty. So I'm just waiting a few seconds to gather my thoughts, because you can literally feel that, I'm trying to say something, but then I immediately forget, what am I supposed to say? But it's nice. I love working out, because I have a very sedentary lifestyle. Being a Rinpoche, I love working, I like to lift things. I like to, do constructions. I like to cook. I like to wash. I like, drive. I can do everything actually because of my experience in Europe. I worked everywhere to earn my living, to gain experience in life. Because as Rinpoches, when we are young, not everyone has it good, and I definitely didn't have it very good. But, I wasn't very rich. My family was still is quite poor. My monastery wasn't very rich, and I didn't have the same level of luxury, that some others have. So I struggled quite a bit in my life. I had to learn things the hard way. And, I traveled myself, I made some friends. I traveled myself to Europe. I was a teenager, and, did a lot actually. So I did all kinds of jobs. Seriously. Why not? I'm a human being, and as a human being, it doesn't matter whether I have these robes, whatever, all this, display, all this display of majesty, I don't know, Rinpoche, Tulku, monastery, whatever. Inside, I'm still a human being. So I thought that when I was young, I thought that in the future, if I have to communicate with people, I need to understand them. How can I communicate with people if I don't understand them? So to understand them, I thought the best method would be to see what common people go through. What common people go through. The hardships of life, the value of money, the value of, relationships, human relationships, the value of, life. So many things. So if I had stayed insulated in my monastery, which was fine, I had a very good monastery, still have in Tsupema, Zigar Gompa, I had everything I needed. It wasn't super luxurious, but I had everything I needed. But then I always looked outside, I used to look at the mountain ranges, because even in Himachal, even in Tsupema, where my monastery is, it is surrounded by Himalayan mountains, snow-capped mountains, and I used to think about the world beyond the mountains, One thing that really opened my mind was Tintin, the adventures of Tintin. Tintin really opened my mind, okay, maybe not everything is factual, but Hergé, the creator of Tintin, I think he knew exactly how to open children's mind through simple graphics, through very simple stories of bravery, of courage, of friendship. And I loved it. I used to read all the Tintins. I know everything by heart. I know all his adventures. I know exactly what happens in the next page. I've read all of them. And, opened my mind about the whole world. Then I started reading more books, science books. The book of Where, Our World, Science. So many books. I still have them, And then I just wondered how the world is outside, And I thought like, yeah, I mean, I'm okay. I have everything I need. But then I felt this yearning to explore beyond those snow-capped mountains. Yeah, to see what's beyond those mountains. Yeah, so I traveled. I was, I think, 17 or 18. I had done a few years of philosophical studies in Beer, Zongsasheta after that, I'm very grateful to all the Kimbos, or Zongsa Khyentse Rinpoche, the late Kimbo Khenchen Kunga Wangchu Rinpoche. I learned so much from them, from the great Sakya Kimbos there at Zongsasheta. And after a few years, I started traveling, and yeah, I did all kinds of things in my life to gain experience, to see what common people go through, So I was just saying, I like to work. I like to do things. I don't like to sit idle for too long. I'm a little bit of workaholic, If I sit idle for too long, I can't, I used to, but now I can't. I'm very restless. I like to do something always. Read something, do something. But being a Rinpoche nowadays in Ladakh is a bit different, I can't just go around and start constructing houses and, start, doing labor work, for example. Though I like labor work, it's quite nice. Sometimes, when I was younger, I used to help my mom do some minor work around the house, as laborers do. I like to cook, I like to clean, all these things. And now I don't. It's like lifestyle is changed, and Ladakh, we have a certain way of doing things in our society, and we have to respect that because, that's just the way it is. And yeah, and I try to go along with the norms of society in Ladakh. So my lifestyle is quite sedentary. I like to do things, but it's quite sedentary. So the only thing that I can do to keep myself fit, physically fit, to to keep my fitness level up, is to work out, yoga, body weight workout. I have a few weights, so I do some weightlifting. Yeah, so that's basically it. Kasaletini na dasa just pata. Ama chunzane gompa yudzane chik gompe nangwa dukzan ta lo chunni noktani gompe nangwa dukzane chik chide chenta tezane tsopat ma yudzane ma gompa ashkit pole tsopat ma yul mal demo gurun bujinas te tsol demole te nangwa izu yonchen chilo pedong zere chinang tsue parla te ezuk sokma zorishke kan zori khale ling zori chun yonchen le tene ta dandire te mani kora pura shiksni miruk nga chunzane mampu yonchen tene tsesang tuzang tsishu nishu nga tene namgang chonga namgang zorya pedong zigan bu kurang rute chechen le lungspu iwa tangna pedong bu awa chechen le mo yamsa nongchen tene ta chik migune tene teka mancha ladas pa inba nga tanya ladas pa nang karja pa kun inle kilmor nga repash nga pare pangse kisika repangse kilmor jeje pangse pene pangdus pa kilmor gya pare pangs pa tene teka yut kame gyagar pa kuri 다음에 베니 마부상 면허상 바상 되네 베돈 sama zoom sequence 베돈 sama 타보니 부코라 시갈 당생 맞아 보조 수치 되나 시갈 당만 없어 보면 되나 시갈 당만 올래 되네 야보 되나 시갈 당세 베돈 sama zoom sequence 타발 담세 되네 츠타마 담세 보르첸레 되네 나스코르 파군 용첸 라다스 파마 파마 보 용첸 츠pad마 되네 가르자바 파마 보 용첸레 tena nojino butan pa mamon po chen jakan tene kisekim na kan kan yongchen pot pa mamon po yongchen tene sama yongse chagri puchen pedong nongsus pasang tene gyagar bo stanji tinsu duchen le tene migune kirmozu chusan kirmor gyapa zori kirmor na pa marchi jong de bude kirmor na pa zori tene khata zori pans pa pan dus pasang tene stinge pedong pura teka peni mo posong ba tene gyagar bo teka ne penin pa tene kone chil kone tappa choma pa le income source no ba tene sopa me yulin ya pe yulin no chancer mayan la das pe yul source no tara nyara chungena no mona son basan tene kule pedon sama nups ya ju pedon sama stor ata tene kimur ha pana kimur chupana khata pain bandukse na chunzer mal de moitben tene china mana tene skipon chale tene tezano gompe na koduk stena station tenga chunza ta kombi gergeni specialist sil chuano tene gom gap chuano minda labano genle mo gadin chimoin tene gompa super na dasa gurum buchi skundi yopo gompa ndupe gompa zegar gompa aji gompa no nya tene teka duk tene tezani jiguna station le mata nya kalkun ma vil de motpa Then Rigun some Motonchende. Misum Jamal the Mute. Katinche, Gumpetanizuk, Janchitane, Stase Duchen. There's an Sabatan in Tamana, Jiguni Gapa Chivide, some Sele. Anchimana, Jiguni Gapuna, Chivide, Tegapoa. Oh, Chidichin, Manakora, and Zambuling Sagan Kazushi, some Samchele. Then it is Uxamindus Pasan, the nesting Nachik, or special Tais or Chunchuk, Uma Zori, then in the Lords or one pass or Stachisipia, Shedason Destinatine, Lord Chubget, Chublin Zubket Societine, Chindak, Zawazan, Chindazana, Gallery, and then a corn rock just the Chigarason, that Chigali Bokazushi extends some Chigarason. Yeah, Joshigarason, the Nejik, Mrs. Gambuching, Yams of Chisipimanoli. Tulkuzikan Buji, Chico Galata, Indojishita, Hagaminatina, Gumpenako, Duxanako, Eskipon, as I get to Chancer Gamika, Karjan, Chancer Gamika, then Penianko, Chancer Gamika, Machu Pushi, the Mapinte, Yabachana Chopino, the Inan, Chancer Gamit, so you to good Pinde. Chan Pintina, Tajik Dosam, Stimayon Chessan, Tusina, Mampa, Mimangunya Potelwachosan, Mimangona Zabili Chosi, Tankan Jogosano, Mimangona Yaturi Chokan Jogosano. Teo Chuchisipia, Nisam Tezane. Ki Mimanguni Mitio Kazushi took Teo Hago, which is Kakshandu, Samele, Teo Hamago, Maranjistare Toste, then Gostan Buchis Esperaritan do not Mimaniapo, Delwa Chamano, Samle, Hagole, Skitu Gizumata, Delwa, Sning in Delwa Chamano, some Sning in Delwa Mashana, Mimaniapo Delwajic Mashana, then it shows some jitamate. Gostane, Skanka Butole, or the Intiduxamana, Marisa Batsoshin Bale. Mimania Pochik, Mimanish Kidupa Haguna, Mrs. Bukasushi Duk, Ale, last church Samje Naxtuk, Penesegan Bosach Samje Kaspu Duk, or the Mrs. Bungatan Chichin, Mimans Kuri, level at some Jikten, Zegan Butsamji, Duhalchan Duk, Samji Kaspu Duk, Zegan Butsapik Haguna, the Mimani Pujeloch is Putsapik, Lamuchok Samle, then it has to some buttons and a chigala song. Banchik Dukes, the Nichik, Lobjong Richokan Just, the Nisos Ramachik, Chilisan Tajik, Telane, Chigala Yozanichik, Rumbuchi in the Stepenetan Kansujameka, Chindagan, Tatuk Soshimara, Just in Chindata, Karanchi and Karamarzin, Lulia, the Nangaram Bison. Then last minute, Minachosle, Minamichos, just my ticks only, or Mrs. Abik Tom, the Nishkiponton, Duponton, Yam Sapik Sas, Tomum Sapik Yonsle. That was a Panarle. That's a Monkey or Kittanantane. Ladas but the Ladas Panox, Ning Ladas Poson Basson, Kuchi, Chigala Chanan, Chigala Machanan, Coladas Pincanejaste, Ladas Mimanga put the watches Lamacharle. So, in now, the Tomos Vijastates a big chic, the name Gara Ducan Ladas Petrugu, Chigala Ducan Ladas Petrugu, Chigal Pacoran, Gar Pacoran, Ladas Pamankan, there's so many put the watches Malamacharle, Chick Chidichin Coran. Kazuzinle, Manakoram, Nomi Soshim, Jamanic, Hagorale, Kongonichi, Kongonichik, Naxpo Shadzane, Hagorale, Naxpo Chipia Tonteno, Tenite Naxpo Silchisipia, Kachusekani, Chiushat Goshisino, Quachi Pangoshis, Sama Kapkotan se Panamano, Sama Tustan se Panamano, Sama Mindutan se Panamano, Sama Shkashmatan se Panamano, Panamiruk, Panamano, Kashiga Panano, Gore Capestimena, Gore Capestimena, Chulusichipande. So, Gore I Tasa in a coach Chutuchis and Chatuch Isam Jatun Misha Hale Isam Jatun Suika. So English in a minute. So I'm just talking about why I did all these things. It was to get connected to people. So I'm just saying that it is really becoming useful now. All my experiences in the West and in India, when I used to travel for many years when I lived in the West, it is really coming useful now. So now I understand exactly what people need, and when I talk to someone, it doesn't have to be Ladakhi. It can be a Ladakhi person residing in India or in this in the West, or it could be a Westerner or an Indian. It's very easy to relate to them because we're all human beings and we all go through similar things: jobs, money, work, relationships. I mean, all these things. So it's like, because I've been through all these things, I understand, and it's easier for me it's easier for me to give them what they need from a certain part of the Dharma. Not everything is compatible for everyone. For example, this flask, it's made of, I don't know what you call it, copper, bronze, whatever. Yeah, I don't know much difference. I'm not very good with metals. So anyway, this flask, which is made of this metal, is for drinking water. So, you can't put tea in this one. I mean, if you drink this much tea, I think you're going to end up in the hospital. Exam she chat on hospital lecture, corona you the corona mana, exam she chama putuna, coffee to the hospital lecture. Mana, Tumchesana, in a chutumchesanopa. So, Basam, Chuno de Nago, Chulukushis Po, Hagora Vele. Yaju, in a go of Vitumsanongi. In a go of Viluchas Po, Mahagora. Tenazosla, and Korichunjigna, Tenagoa, Jakantilukespo, Mahagorne. Ka not Pinacochi, Lugus, a pizza Hagora, just and Bayali. There was a big father, Tasa. Samala Kapke Panamiruk, Samala Tenichik, Chilichin, Kenako, Chinablux, Panamiruk, Samala Trustans, Gega Chulux, Panamiruk, Ale. Kashiga sperania popanduk. Kashiga chik lama zosa speratangusu. Kashiga chik zago zosa speratangusu. Kashiga chik acho zosa speratangusu. Kashiga chik aba zosa speratangusu. Kashiga doctor zosa speratangusu. Kashiga nentempe kurmane kura chospa zosa speratangusu. Mosa mirire guzdo malagundukle. To chik tatasa panara justin bale. Yaju tateo GPS pero GPS is marji temera. China man o tateo justin ba. Tateo GPS justin zena manma tizuk chokan bo panara tezani mom bangyu mo potan bin. Tatasa ladasa duseno stan bu justin ladasa tachik kanekara bangyu mo potan kuli lasik chen chik sodmar student kharji skolin kolagro twinduna tene chik ladasa lama gone tizuk chamano tene chik demo thamano ladasa da druzo jiyutya teo chik druze ka adul gusan oxamarak chezena ngati society chunjigino 양지 마다 소사이티 쿠리난 거가 이속 팀 성전 마디스카니 팀 성전 때우르지고 싶어 각자 독 삼세나 되네 즉 두칸을 주세요 다 빠르라 독사는 되네 우선 보선데 할래 되네 강파프라스 zumoyonse pikmo zumoyonse 되네 diabetes 되네 BP high chest no pangaja mane zen ten dukan chupano pale ika chakan pekana tumchaseno marmokano tumchaseno kofitana tumchaseno ayaju ikane dasna daji tana zachaseno timoji tana zachaseno alu moji tana zachaseno megish kolte tana zachaseno mane koran lugin tuchesh mane migapole 되네 te uchi chalu zena 되네 stene sehat pometkan charupale 대숙 세hat 보면 첸첸지는 따직 상한매 남탈고는 세상 받아 차룩바 라마곤 막 개와 공리 집주 납주 대상 탈주 스미르길래 제스는 만에 스쿠즈 개라 형으로 벌래 나사민다 민도 용스바 고치 둘고치 나만나 미노 고스템들이가 둘고서노 마나 오야 송바상 코아직 즈메 스탠들 보고가 잘나 되네 루시 캄말리아 즈메 스탠들 보고 지리진 kutukchana zumo yongsa dene zuxpenan ko tene tezushi balance kutukchana tene ko shicheseno ko chishkam gunindo tulku indo skabje indo kempo indo china teushido pa tepetene dandira cha tejik ngara samnyanna jidong nitibe misang jemira lujum bucheze kan bu ma stachi mono tene jinga tajatum lusa jangushis ma khachimonople exercise 조고시스 walking 조고시스 방탕고시스 되니 요가 조고시스 야다 뭐고시 중인 맨날 초스는 예뻐 락스 주엔 서머니 되니 착불라서 당래 넘버 1이 노래 루스키 집다가노 샥스파이노 촛바이노 되니 지지 친구랑 스톱파 지기노 착차는 거 맞아 한번 영원하래 곧 속선함 사치선 딕바닥시 스트윈만이 노래 마게라나 착보 스쿠착불라서 나스코라 시켜다서 둘때 이제 둘러시켰대 가리는 둘러 지딩 주스는 빨래 지링숨다 대지로 나사 지링숨다 게라만규나 알지나 바나스 장마지가 잡는 간다가시네 잡는 거 공조스 미주 둘때 방탄세 고속 시 잡고제 저켜서 스타자는 가리나 yap스기게 빨래 붐 슉스 잘라선 게 빨래 대양에서 맨날 파나 섬다지 나스코라 찾은 something은 둘디잖아 데모이노 sama 대속이 둘러시켜다서 지도 루살 장고시 돈 당번 가다쳐 돈 고시스 미치링 물루스나 데니치마타이 초스초치서 파나노 미션마야 도초치서 파나노 젠마 람스탄치서 파나노 소소랑 딕바닥치스나 데니치 게와석치스 모가 시시사고만에 메켜래 시디스는 메켜 다 가시 영세르미티 지체간 자리는 하이 지 여가리 저간 자리 다 지가 초스초서 많이 또 심바선 버리 심바 zumo 영나 지금 zumo 영선에 데니 짜대 찾잖아 짜대 데니 짜대 찾아 로스 이 미리 좀 보시세요 한번 덮지마노 또 하고 오시는 거래 손바상 이 지진 거랑 이 죽스봉 타미라 조고시스 zumo 만방 지진 거랑 가다 조고시스 돈당 못 가다 조고시스 미선배는 각체 뭐이노 없어만 헬레 마리선바 조시긴 다 라마리레리 양 투삼레리 양 첸레 마리선바 퍼스널 당들이 미족식인 간소시간 주대 말한 뒤죽주간 줄래 즉 가르지는데 상만한테는 즉 저기 가다주 간주다 오야 데니스 덴딜 마툭나 세르물을 셨는 거래 때우주든 봐 yeah so I was just saying that it is my personal opinion that it is imperative to take care of this precious human body that we have, because once you lose it, it is very difficult to get it back. This precious human body is very difficult to attain. And once we lose this precious human body, it is very difficult to be reborn again as a human being, and with the perfect condition of the Talwagin and Joroju, the 8 freedoms and the 10 endowments. And it's only with the platform of the precious human body that we can achieve enlightenment. You cannot achieve enlightenment in the hell realm. You cannot achieve enlightenment as an animal. You cannot achieve enlightenment as a preta, as a hungry ghost, or in the God realm. It has to be from the, as a human being. So this is the only platform we have. This is the only opportunity we have. So it's good to, it's good to, of course you have to practice, but what I'm trying to say is you must take care of this vessel, which is your body. Yeah, there's nothing harm with that, no harm with that. You should work out, you should do yoga, which is a very good workout. You should do, any other workouts that you know. You can run, you can walk, you can do prostrations, which is a very good workout and also a very good practice. So many things. You can go for pilgrimage and walk, So, yeah, I think it's very important in this day and age as a modern human being, because now we are more aware of illnesses and how to prevent them. In the past, people didn't know, so they would just sit and they would just eat and drink, limitless. Then eventually they would have high blood pressure, they would have diabetes, maybe they would have a stroke, they would have some other disease, and they would just say he passed away, 40 years old, 50 years old. If you look at the biographies of most of the great teachers, I guess those who were sedentary, I think they didn't live very long. Those who were active, like Milarepa and Naropa and Tilopa, I think they lived quite long because they were very active. Naropa and Tilopa were super fit because they did so much yoga. Anyway, so I just think that, in these days we need to balance everything. It's very important to take care of the vessel. If there is a leakage, then all the water will come out. If your body has a leakage of disease, your life, your spirit, your life, it will end. Your life source, I don't know what you will call it, life force, whatever, your mind, it'll escape through the hole. You will die. Anyway, yeah, Joe, so we will go through the stanzas again. And again, wait, I'm a bit confused. 60, 61 to 61, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So yesterday, let me first speak in Ladakhi. Okay. Then dang Ladak sana jukan nangjin la shunjugi tasa zutpili uti nga tang kakalipti nozena then chingata sema phokches chitong galiwali tangches khatanga nya duches diabli nya duches chitong zerna kazu pagum boshes no zegam ta sarki nokle so teka ne inpin then shulo ka number ta tukchu ka then dang cheeses te nozena then nga ta chi chingkurang o kalde nyepa sungyuna dikse sunam sajena nyepe tundu chugena sunam seding minjuram dang ta chi migona shochuna diga nok chezena shochuna miguna nga ta chi yachik shokyanna then ko miguna minda mazir pasang then nga beni topchesla notpa mayungus pasang nga parchet mayungus pasang then nga tsirimulu sano nga nolongchut mapo tobano then nga gewasa kenano then nga dikpa shaspa chungena tizuk samste mana tizuk shi samste nga ta then chi shochuna talung shocho mano zanokle chi pezana tizuk chona then chi shkewang masakani dikpa chi dichen gewang met kanchano sonle talung ishkewinang ko nga dikpa mapo osano ojun gele 야주 때네 강기 된도 다스면 봐 되니 갈때 냠줄 나스데 되네 카피야 강기 된도 daksunpa ka pia nga sonte lushisi pia teni kalte nyamjurna tanga sonte tepe luzgosa zanukle chipe zana nge sonte lushisi o gymsam buketena dikpa dakchesna gewa sakchisi pe inziste mana teni dikpa dakchesna gewa sakchisi pia nga sonte luzgosa no 강기 된도 daksunpa ka pia nga sonte lushisi teni kalte nyamjurna ale dikpa mbashik sepai sunpa tego chishik sa lo teni sonte luste ngata gewasa gosheseno teni sonte luste ngata gewasa gosheseno te sonte luste ngata gewasta chik gewaji chuen samna mitse jingmo topches norlong chuma potopches epia gewe chuen samna inna te pia ngata teni kaltes miguno shochona peni yong chisepia mitse jingmo lo chisepia ka tonta pia ngata sonte luz goshesiot te pia kaltes ngata dikpa sakna teni kalte nyamjurna dikpa mbashik sepaye teni dikpa mbo chostenokle sunpa tego chishise teni sonte lusi chip hanzanokle chisena sonte lushise gymsan kuram matan dikpa dakshisan gewa sakchis pe inokle dikpa dakshisan gewa sakchis kuri pe matan dikpa sakna dikpa mbashik sepaye teni ko matan sonte lusi chip hanzanokle danga teo na matan continuation sokshiginokle oh yeah, in English this is a continuation from yesterday again. We are still at the part where we have to be patient for people who directly condemn us, directly use harsh words or indirectly behind our backs. So yesterday, the stanza where we were was referring to something like this. We should get angry at people who gossip behind our back, who say something bad about us, because they do not allow you to live long, which enables you to commit good karma and to confess and to eradicate your bad karma. But that is the sole purpose, that is the main purpose, right? The main aim is to cleanse your bad karma. That is why we are born as human beings. The main aim is to accumulate good karma, right? And if the aim for which we live is thereby wasted and undone by getting angry at people, right? By getting angry at people, what use is there in living thus when evil is the only consequence? Okay, maybe evil is a strong word. When committing bad karma is the only consequence. What is the point of living long, getting angry at people, gaining wrongful livelihood, living a long life for the purpose of accumulating good merit? Because it's paradoxical, because you're trying to live long to accumulate good merit, but in order to do that, you cannot justify to be angry at people, because that is the only consequence, committing bad karma. Yeah. Okay, sometimes it is easy to explain, sometimes it's quite difficult to explain. Languages are very difficult, especially in English, because English is like, I don't know, the translations that I use like 3 or 4 different translations, and I mix them sometimes, and they are all from the renowned translations of Bodhicharyavatara. I mix them, and sometimes I modify them after studying them properly myself, the Tibetan, the Bodhi version. But even then, it's so difficult, My English is not too good, but it's also not too bad, and sometimes it's quite difficult to balance the meanings and the words in English. In Tibet, in Bodhi is much more easier. Kasale. Kalte semji nyamsepe minye mala toshena jela minye juelangchu tijinchi de twemese so. Ta kalte semji nyamsepe minye mala toshena zekanbo tai tonta kazukshe juste nozena kalte tene semshin nyam zekanbo mi janmaji ngata shochona kwa dikpa sakane jaste. Mana kwa dikpa sakano pale mi janmaji ngata shochona minda zena o kalte semchi nyamjipe tewe semcha nyamsano pale parul po semshan bo nyamsano ta semshan zena te bala mumbo zestemano semshan zena ko hale semchan zestenogle sentient miguna zesteno ponchona izena tashkiu misosorkio migun soshe zestenogle kalte stene semshan gun migun kon dikpa sakano nga shochukna kalte skungune nga minda zechukna mi jawab matang na koi dikpa sagano dikpa saste khorang nyamsano nyamzena koi dikpa koi gewa nyamsano gewa nyamse ko nyalbe na chano minyen hala tushena minyen pa tepe tene shnyen pa metka minyen pa zena chiksemba mitachi sespera gali tangche te samonchmana minyen pa shmawa kawe ngata gali wale minda ta tewa ngata shochu chogano zerna koy dikpasa no tepe yachu shono tikchano ko dikpasa machuk zeste tezuk samna jena minin julamche tejinchi de tomese teni tezuk samna teni yang michige mi janma jiga shochozani kwang dikpasa seno mana koy ma shochozan dikpasa ga dote te miwe mi janma jiga shochozan koy dikpasa seno ko nyamsano jenla minin julamche janma jiang teni minin paji chidong zerjot zane teni kyorange tejinchi de tomese teni kyorange 소소 장 쇼초자네 가zu 그런 미고는 저업다 가zu가 록스 쇼초 되나 좋슬라 미지기 미jan마지가 쇼초자냐 그런 집이야 데미야 쇼초면 디스테노클레 하고 뭐고 데미야 쇼초면 디스테노클레 쇼초 간바 예주 다이소 바르바레츠 비츠비 고축포용 전에 하고 이양 가스봉도 되지 지유전 잠투면 아샤샤테노 디낭 라페나 보라 하고 바르바레 이나 칸이야 직 스페라직 빙즈니 체즈나 시구나 리미트테노 팔레 이건 아다직 보티고랑 보티포게라 시스템 아다테는 절로건 게라 주스타나 돈딱 너무 아다테는 세마 하고는 그래 다이나 잠시냐나 샤체시가는 탑스주스틴 되는이라는 거는 제교 이 스타츠군 로즈나 되는 하고 싶은 말만 찾겠네. Okay. Stanza number 62. And if, when people slander us, we claim our anger is because they injure others. Again, I'm sorry, but the translation is not perfect. What it basically means is that, okay, how can I translate this from Boti? Let's say, you can justify getting angry at someone because the person who's getting angry at you will accumulate bad karma by getting angry at you, and you should not allow it. Yeah, and if you think you can justify your anger like that I will prevent that person from harming himself by injuring others, but injuring himself, who's getting angry at me. So if you think that you can justify your own anger to the person who's getting angry at you, how is it we do not resent their slander when it's aimed at somebody else? So if person A, it's getting angry at person B, we don't get angry. If somebody else is getting angry at somebody else, we don't get angry. If person A is getting angry at person B, we don't get angry. But when person A is getting angry at us, sometimes if you think you can justify by saying that, oh, you will accumulate bad karma because I'm a bodhisattva, because I'm a Buddhist, because I'm a practicing, monk or nun or a Buddhist, so it's okay for me to get angry at you, Then why don't we get angry when person A gets angry at person B? Same thing, same thing. That person will still accumulate bad karma. But of course, when it's directed towards ourselves, we try to justify it. It's because of our ego, because of our self-cherishment. One reason I post the commentary, the translation, the explanation of the English at the end of the stanzas is mainly for this purpose, because it makes much better sense. It's well written, and so for those of you who want to make more sense of the English translations, I suggest when I post the stanzas, at the end, after the 4 stanzas, I post a 5th page and maybe sometimes a 6th page, and those are the commentaries, explanations in English, and it will really help you to understand what the stanza is meaning. But the stanzas are a continuation, it's about arguments and counter-arguments. So that's why you need to remember what we discussed yesterday. We need to remember what the previous stanza was mentioning. Otherwise it won't make sense. It's like a chain. You have to, go one by one. Stanza number 10, Tukchu Rasum. Yeah. It's a big young how which is a casponchele. Mate Jena Jean Lepe, Tepa Mela Chuzona. Tepa Mela Chuzona, Numoshkela Jean Lepe, Minimala Chimizu, Ta Mi Chigi, Mijanmaja Shochona, then Tajik, Taspejana, Michigi, Tenechik, Lamajiga Shochona, Ko, Tenechik, Tapa Metkane Jaste, Hale, Ko, Tapa Metkane Gumsan, Janma Vejaste, Teneko, Chidichin, Natane, Tepa Mela Kuzuna, Hale, Tenechik, Tewangatang Kates, Zupagum Kanchona, Matan Chang Chutomeka, Ko Korangazuk, Tapa Loxeno, Ko Korangachik Madigano, Mana, Ko Korang Korangiskachik Madigano, Kwe, Amika Tapa Loxeno, Aminia Puchik Madigano, Tene, Matan Zupagum Kanchona, Numoshke la Jalepe, Minimala Chimizu, Tene Mijig Matan Shuchozane, Mana, Mijig Matan Shuchozane, Kazuga, Kwe 아미야 쇼추스 김천보 답바 밑간에 자스테 손테노 테나초스라 미지게 마타 쇼추즈네 뇽베 시케간에 자스테 김천 진 뇽모 시케간에 자글스페 테네 마타에 소소 쇼추즈네 지페 마타 소파미 곰즈테노글레 하고 뭐고 이 저픽 하고 치스 제 가스포용chen 다유 하고 치스 배양 일단 치진 오이 스타지군 로즈ум스테 테니 인텔로 저픽이라는 거는 직스나 데모차치냐리 다이나 탈레냐 아족도 빨리 다이군이랑 마 게스파초스테 디자마타 스페셜나 다시리기 시키고노 대군이노 테네 다사 이 쪽에 가시가 중중아 저픽 하고친데 대군 만포샤든 두나 직상타 가리시마나 매니지션 집지 sonzar tene tus mo poji gorom pole par par eto tsabe kaspur yotna yangira mon tsabe ngata chiri chim khran taf chu chisi tus mo po mayong na ngira mon tsabe khamba wala diano shloga kashi tsabe ngata goma tsuna chang me kya hawa donta I shloga ngata teni kan ngira sumchu sa tal ju kya jalaga jaga shloga jiji tenana tene ngata mampo specha mampo jingira ngona ikalapchese tusud meteno inangira ngona tenang nyang shloga gena sumchu subji nangne shloga gyangira ngoni tonta poshesna magelano ple hawa anma tsoshigina isakal dawa sanganla zopeskola chang gusmekya jiwala zagan busuin chang pata mekya tate nangne tene jiwale chunjugi nangne changmesan tene sabche chenmo tsospo shloga mangshu chopa tsospo zopeliu 당들이 또 참에서 각진모 할래 되네 대남네 칼테스니라고나 쇼로가 게나 숨주 섭지 송아지까 대남네 칼테스니라고나 쇼로가 갸츠 시시스나 갸치 맙주 시스나 게나 노마나 미 삼바테 죽시긴데 이런거는 인트레스트 용치스페 인만에 이우다사이 직스페차 마다 직시다 라바초스라 캠포지기 되네 직 라바초스라 직시다 라바초스라 되주 메테노 폴레 때문에 데마조니까 세가 도스 경스데 상밀라파테니 스페차 땅스데 상밀라파 쳔들 땅스데 상밀라파 젤와 땅스데 스타치군 로즘 주스데 되니 되주 주스데만이 상마 하고 지스마 가스폰치네 이숙시마다 라이브 스트림 주간 주스데 직오 돈다 상마가 다시 미니트 조항이 주는 거 상마 하고 주스는 가스폰도 게리 손바상 빠르빠르 잡히는 거나 하모거나 두세 좀 맞아 주스네 오야 그냥 포지션 두시서 땡기로 버려. 양 나가서는 직샷고 상 잉글리시는 직샷고 살래. 양 초장 싱고스. 야 대조시노. And stanza number 63 is slightly more difficult to understand because it's going very deep with the analogy, yeah. So that's why I put the explanation. And due to the time constraint, I don't have all the time available to explain everything properly. And this is not like a proper class. The classes that usually are held in the temples, There we have the luxury of an entire day, and during the entire course of an entire day, there will be two teachers. One main kempo who will teach in the morning, early morning, and afterwards in the late afternoon there will be kyopen. Kyopen means the second kempo, the junior kempo, yeah, the one who will repeat the previous teachings. Then they will, then there we can have lots of discussions and dispel our doubts. But here is not like a how can I say, a traditional class like in the Shedra. My endeavor is to try to how can I say, try to grow some interest in the teachings of the Buddha, grow some interest in the teachings of Shantideva, and especially on patience. And there are I think 130 something stanzas. So I think within 1 month, which is very short, and even though those within 1 month of Sagadawa, I'm teaching here 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours from that, after talking about current affairs or something that comes in my mind, when we go to the stanzas, we have roughly 15-20 minutes. And then afterwards we have to do prayers, we have to do meditation, and also have to rest. You have to rest, we can't teach like a proper class. So this is not like a proper Shedra class. That's I want to make it clear. So I don't have time to clarify everything. But even from the 130 something stanzas, if you can understand 100 stanzas, I think you've done a very good job. Because look, 1 month ago or 15 days ago, you didn't know any of the stanzas. Those who haven't studied it. Right? And now you know at least 50, 100 stanzas of Shantideva's Patience chapter, which is one of the biggest chapters of Shantideva's teachings of Bodhicharya Avatara. So I think that's good. So sometimes, when you read some stanzas, and it doesn't make much sense, don't feel disheartened. Just skip through them. Yeah? Read the English explanations and try to grasp as much as you can. And then buy the books. buy the translations, the commentaries, and read them, study them. Then you will understand everything. Yeah. And if we bear with this antipathy because it's due to other factors, why are we impatient when they slander us? Defilement, that after all, has been the cause of it. Again, the translation is not perfect. But basically, it's like Shantideva is using this analogy like if somebody else, person A is getting angry at person B, right? Let me try to explain this, within the short amount of time. My brain is not working very well today. Okay, if person A is getting angry at person B and is pretending that if person B is like sort of a high level, person, like a lama or a bodhisattva or whatever. So if person A is getting angry at person B, and Shantideva was asking like, why don't we get angry at that person? And if you can justify, because if you think that, he has a problem, he has lost faith, person A has lost faith, he has, some issues with person B, and it's like, and it's because of that factor that, it's none of your business or whatever, then why are we impatient when they slander us? But if somebody gets angry at us, we become impatient, because defilement is the cause of it. Again, read the explanation, it will explain better. I will go through this. And stanza number 64, Tukchi Rebjipa. Kuzunchude tamchi la charging jikpa sepa lang dagi shedang mirikte sanji solo numenga tayu ngata tene chedechin tayang ngata subject somajik gozusteno tay subject pushing se izugen bale subject mingbo chitemira tay subject somajik gozusteno le tayu chizitongzana kuzunchude tamchi la sangi se skuzuks skunda tsokshigindro tene chortenindo tampe chosindo tene mikashige charging jikpar sepa lang dagi shedang merite sanjisolo numenga mijige kaltes sangese skunda shigadro shoma jozestenogle mijige kaltes sangese chortenji shigadro shoma jozestenogle mijige kaltes pecha mea shagadro line tampo shoma jozestenogle charging jikpar sepa lang so tegun sama chidichin yang chik spera minda tangse telches gamne minda zete sanges skunda galamano chorten galamano specha galamano nangpa galamano minda zen yang chidong nimbe korang chidong shiga chidong chona mana tene shoma joz dagi shedang mirikte ni shuchesu diga mano zenogle sangesulo numenga chezena sanges gone chamnoda manokle sanges gone chamnoda manok gompa jikste sanges la chamnoda manok 하고 뭐고 소소장의 슈초스테 소소장의 딕바지 용체시만에 상계에서 장로다 말한게 스페셜이 메아샤나 샤칸 부 딕바 용체시나 할래 디죽시께 말에 스페셜 코랑 상계에서 장로다 말한게 마타 때는 스페셜 샤칸 부 슈초나 상계에서 장 파나마노 초상 장 파나마노 소소장의 지키는 지시만에 맥약즈스는 다 인랑 이소는 뭐야 대치지전 갈때스 냔나니 되니 지지전 다시 죽으시스 마노 빨래 하고 다짱 좋다 매다니 then shochu Panama no so dai example because she gala du june hele Afghanistan is ukmeda chilo te Bamin Buddha Afghanistan te Bamin Buddha zekane te sangis skunda nim pamedale te guntene te stanchik pagune kazukchu se shiksle Bamin Buddha zekane nya one zeksang tashing se jikash koste vitkane mane sangis skunda chinmo mitrasam dai tu mirar jga thalji giti gele machirmo nokle te so skunda ni so shi giti pen Afghanistan yulla ya justanchi payonste tene purashikste nokle izukchi dichene surang putte matalla das be surang zuru dynamite zermira dynamite biang putte tene ko bomb tanse purashikste nokle engineer kaspa kyonse shikste nokle gomate ka RPG zegan bo tanske RPG zena tene lapena ko rocket chimo jonchene sum ze tanske te ko chang te zamashik yakle ya jutan ta chichen zes pasan tene khoramone stanship ko khoramone zuk engineer kyonsele kaspa kyonste tene kulya hatta chigishi pura druste sangise skunde kara druste tene ko bomb danse dan jikten gampe try joskerle japan etezan kuchuma potans juji yu mashik ngaje benetan ngaje yu manish koste chichuna ngaje helicopter na stakse chichuna ngaje shkabin zambuling tene unesco zekan kuchuma potans changchomanle bana tatte soshino for example tene chikstan shikune ngata ta chingman maina gompa mampo shikstenokle chuluk zmu chasane tene gompa mampo shikstenok skunda mampo shikstenok nganma tene gelpo ashoga zegan bi churten sam jansker bole riga thalji ke zore mira churten chinmo tizu gompa chinmo mampo jansker zeruk pale gelpo ashoge Ashoka Choshkalzi Gambile. Tenis Tanshik Pagun Yonzani, Tenipsting, Puramitkan Justanole. Tateo da Samata Shoji Chipanle. Chostani Chamano, Sangisani Cham no Mano. Tatizani Kaltis Chotabiotna, Matatene, Chidijan. Bache Chokosano Zestenoble. Chota Vietnam, Matan Bache Chokosano. Chota Vietnam, Matan Shungosano. Chota Medna, Tin Shoches the Panama of the Zestenopole. Ago. Goshipsar. Mana Chang Chungi Mendani, Shoma Josanoble. She can Korandik Pano, Korandik Paninje, some stanship of Koran Ninja, Koran Dipasas or some say. Jason is a Mistapano, Dujesinoble. Skundaji Jana, Mistapano, Dujesino, Dujetan Mistapa, Special Condujesino, Chotinjin, Dujesinoble. Chuta Medpa, that Stasi took Systemania, Torigical Desmataika, Agasonte, Shantistupa ship Duxan, Campato, Bulgarian Bushes, Denizo Chunjis, Labara, Chanchoga Samanozo, Pagomosam, Tizu, Agua, Miji to Regina, the Tiji Constitution, Tapshano, or Skavan Medipano, Pagomosam, Tiu Matansu Jugoshamanocle. Agua, Matantini, Shurgoshano, Konya Prospera, Gangushisano, Agua and Juju Machia, Kokorandic Passan, so million Bush Mekanchano, Matangatantini, Chotan Demogun, Compal Demogun, Skundal Demogun, Mekanchano, Agole, Go Mekanchus Cham Panchi Mekia, Kalticham Chotan Metna, then show much as a consortium. The Antonta Kanakashi, Antonta Ultan and Richard, GTP, at the Mr. Padonchina. Should others talk badly or even destroy holy images, stupas, and the sacred dharma, it is improper for me to resent it, for the Buddhas can never be injured. So this is an example, like, if we try but we can't do anything, and let's say if there's an invading force of thousands of armies, or if it's in a country where we don't have any influence and they damage, for example, the Bamin Buddhas in Afghanistan, when the terrorists, when they destroyed it, it was very unfortunate. The whole world tried to save it because it was I think it was a UNESCO World Heritage, right? And I think there were lots of countries like Japan and lots of countries who, South Korea, I think, I can't remember exactly, who tried to save it, by talking to these people, this group who wanted to destroy this ancient, beautifully, carved statues of Buddha, and they tried to stop it, but at the end, nobody could. What did they do? First, they tried to destroy it with RPG. They couldn't. Then afterwards, they got some engineers. They drilled holes, they planted dynamites, and then they literally destroyed it. Now it's just a hollow, right? So it's also impermanent. If we can't do anything, okay, I'm not saying what Shantideva was trying to say is if you can't do anything, then stop worrying, like in the previous stanzas, If there's no solution, we try to look for a solution. Of course, you can't just sit idle. If somebody is coming at you with a knife or a gun, you can't just say, oh, I'm going to practice patience. Let him stab me. It's okay, it's my bad karma. Let him shoot me. No. You also have to think, it's your precious human body, which you don't know if after you die, there's no guarantee that you will be reborn as a human being. You don't know where the karmic consequences will lead you to. So, also the person, if you allow him to kill you for no reason at all, I think there is no good reason to get killed anyway. If you allow the person to kill you, then that person also accumulates good karma. Bad karma, not good karma, yeah. So, you can't, but if there's nothing you can do, then better not be angry, right? Why accumulate bad karma for yourself in the process? When they destroyed the temples, when the King Ashoka, I think he built 100 and something stupas and, monuments and temples and pillars and so on. He was a great king. He served the Dharma so well. I think he was not a very good person initially because he murdered a lot of people. But then I think he had such a strong renunciation mind that he totally changed. He became what we know as Chogyal, Dharma king. He served the Dharma like the King Singanamgyal, so on. So like King Trisong Desen and Songtse Gampa and all that. But afterwards the invading forces came from somewhere else and then they destroyed everything. Now, if you look back at history, even if you were alive then, if you witnessed the destruction of the holy images, the stupas, and the sacred Dharma, what is the point of getting angry? It is not going to harm the Buddha. The Buddha has already achieved enlightenment, the historical Buddha. Enlightenment itself is a state, can't be destroyed because it's immaterial, uncompounded. And in the process, what is the point, of accumulating bad karma if there's nothing you can do about it? So just, don't be angry. That's what it's saying. Yeah. Okay. I strongly suggest that everyone, English speakers, really buy the book, Nectar of Manjushri Speech, Khenpo Kumpal's English translation. Yeah, because I think now Amazon and all these online bookstores, they are operating. So I think it is a good time to buy the books. Okay, and don't just download the PDFs and keep them. It's called piracy, and it's good to support the authors, the translators. They work really hard. So even if you have the PDF, even if you have downloaded it or somebody gave it to you, you have to buy the book to support them. Okay, you have to buy the book even if you don't use it to show your support, because the world doesn't doesn't just work like that. You could how can I say, it's good to support them. So I strongly suggest that you guys buy the books, Nectar of Manjushri Speech, which is an excellent translation of Bodhicharyavatara. Also get Padmakara's translation of the root text, of Bodhicharyavatara. Get Stephen Batchelor's. It's quite difficult to find Stephen Batchelor, his translation of Bodhicharyavatara, and look for some of the sources, mix and match, and then it will start making more sense. The best thing is to learn Bodhi itself. Learn Bodhi, that is the best. Or learn Sanskrit, even better. But Sanskrit is very difficult. I don't, read Sanskrit. I know mantras, that's different. I know some of the Sanskrit meanings and words, but I can't read it fluently, as I read Bodhi in English. So if you can read Bodhi, if you can learn Bodhi, that's the best. You will go directly to the source, because these days all the Buddhist teachings are kept in Bodhi, preserved in Bodhi form, so it'll make a lot of sense to you. It'll be easier. Kasale. The Neda Tsangma is Buddhik Sheskan Gunang Tajik, special on Mata Silgo Shesino, Satsigun Mata, Lozum Boshesino, Lozums the Tenechik Samba Mampo Tanduna, Tonta Ranjin Hagonokle, Silin Dugosanokle, Hawa, Serpoja Silta Panamano, Bar Silin Dugosanokle, is Satsigun Mobile in Akota Singing Tankanbo, Yanamon Jacques, Satsikineshuloka Jiu, Man, Dulingina Silin Dugosanole, Special Mascapaston, Zapayajina, the Chinchulas, Lexica, and the Gujo Contochikin Juba, Silin Jusan. Lo lebano tene tonta pokule le sambasara timira bodi gela shesat na tene izuka special 6 delwagun 6 kembo kumbale delwagun 6 mana chendel gun 6 tene ma hagono temani ai zori ngata chik sheskan gun tieza na tsoma hamagona tsabi hagono dikeno pale yejo. The time is about to finish. I will stop and restart, then we will do the prayers. The time was circuit gya tene ngata you off just in your own join chose pasil yejo.